Hi, Mark Ledbetter here with MVP Realty. I was out doing a run this morning and thinking about our program as we get ready to get started on Tuesday regarding the MVP Advantage program. And I was thinking about our pathway to success. And as part of my run, I was setting up which direction I want to go, how far do I want to go, what I want to succeed in. It could have been real easy for me to go straight ahead and done a short run this morning and it would have been really easy, but instead I wanted to challenge myself. I wanted to make sure that I was not only meeting my goal that I had set for myself, but I was going to exceed it. So guess what? I made a left turn on purpose. I made sure that I went down the road that was going to be a little tougher and it's challenged me a little bit harder because guess what? It's going to make me a better runner. Well, this is the same principle when it comes to real estate. You know, we've got lots of ways that we can do things, and we think we can, get by with something. Well, guess what? It takes hard work, and it's going to take focus. And we're coming across something that most of us have never experienced in our real estate career. So I want you to make sure that you're ready for this. And by getting yourself educated, knowing what to do, knowing how to do it, knowing what to do with the tools and resources you have is so essential. I hope you'll consider joining the MVP Advantage program. Get signed up. Let's make this happen. Again, we're going to be meeting on Tuesdays and Thursdays via Zoom. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be very interactive. And I look forward to seeing everyone there. You've got to get signed up. So make sure you do this. Let's make it happen. And I look forward to working with you. If you've got any questions regarding the program itself, don't hesitate to reach out to me and I'll respond to them as quickly as possible. Look forward to seeing you soon.